Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Anjali Aranke and today we are going to discuss MCQs from Analytical Chemistry, Semester 2nd. Chapter 5th, pH meter. MCQ number 1. pH is measured on the scale of dash to dash. Option A 0 to 7. Option B 7 to 14. Option C 0 to 14. Option D 1 to 14. And correct answer is option C 0 to 14. The pH scale is a logarithmic and inversely indicates the concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution. At 25 degrees centigrade, solutions with a pH less than 7 are acidic and solutions with a pH greater than 7 are basic. Solutions with a pH of 7 at this temperature are neutral. MCQ number 2. pH of a solution is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in option A molality, option B molarity, option C normality, option D all of above. And our correct answer is option B molarity. pH of a solution is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in molarity. MCQ number 3. Calomel electrodes are used as dash reference electrodes. Option A primary, option B tertiary, option C secondary, option D quaternary. And our correct answer is option C secondary. Calomel electrodes are used as secondary reference electrode. Calomel is used as the interface between metallic mercury and a chloride solution in a saturated calomel electrode, which is used in electrochemistry to measure pH and electrical potentials in solutions. MCQ number 4. Glass electrode consists of a very thin walled glass bulb made up of a special type of glass of relatively low, option A melting point, option B boiling point, option C specific gravity, option D refractive index. And our correct option is option A melting point. A glass electrode is a type of ion selective electrode made of a doped glass membrane that is sensitive to a specific ion. The most common application of ion selective glass electrode is for the measurement of pH. The pH electrode is an example of a glass electrode that is sensitive to hydrogen ions. MCQ number 5. Glass electrode can be used in solutions with pH values ranging from dash to dash. Option A 1 to 12, option B 0 to 14, option C 0 to 7, option D 7 to 14. And our correct answer is option A, that is 1 to 12. Glass electrode can be used in solutions with pH values ranging from 1 to 12. Glass electrodes made of special glass such as lithium glass can be used to measure pH up to 14. MCQ number 6. The internal reference electrode in glass electrode is option A standard calomel electrode, that is SCE. Option B silver chloride electrode, that is AgAgCl. Option C glass membrane. Option D mercury. And our correct answer is B AgAgCl. The internal reference electrode in glass electrode is silver chloride. MCQ number 7. The thin glass bulb in glass electrode is filled with option A, zero point 0.1 molar KCl saturated with AgCl, option B, zero point 0.1 molar KCl saturated with Ag2Cl2, option C, zero point 0.1 molar HCl saturated with AgCl, option D, zero point 0.1 molar HCl saturated with Ag2Cl2. And our correct option is option C, zero point 0.1 molar HCl saturated with AgCl. MCQ number 8. Glass electrode be made sensitive by immersing it at least for 12 hours prior to use in option A, water, option B, HCl solution, option C, KCl solution, option D, AgCl solution. And our correct option is option A, water. The glass electrode must be soaked in 0.1 normal HCl for 24 hours, followed by storing in distilled water. If handled properly, it can be used for a long time. This electrode can be used in the presence of strong oxidant and reductants in viscous media and in the presence of proteins. In all these and other environment, equilibrium is reached quickly. MCQ number 9. The component not associated with pH meter is option A, SAT buffer, option B, photovoltaic cell, option C, temperature probe, option D, slope control knob. And our correct answer is photovoltaic cell. The component not associated with pH meter is photovoltaic cell. MCQ number 10. The asymmetric potential originates from the differing responses of the inner and outer surfaces of the glass membrane to change in dash. Option A, Na plus ion activity. Option B, Ag plus ion activity. Option C, H plus ion activity. Option D, SiO minus Na plus activity. And our correct answer is option C, H plus ion activity. The asymmetric potential originates from the differing responses of the inner and outer surfaces of the glass membrane to change in H plus ion activity. The most sensitive electrode, which consists of thin membrane of glass, which is responsive to change to H plus ion concentration, is used to measure the pH of solutions, and the instrument is referred to as pH meters. MCQ number 11. Glass electrode cannot be used when the test solution is option A, 0.1 normal acetic acid solution, option B, 0.1 normal ammonium hydroxide, option C, water, option D, ethyl alcohol. And our correct option is option B, 0.1 normal ammonium hydroxide solution. It is the disadvantage of using glass electrode that it cannot be used in strongly alkaline solutions. And our option A is acetic acid solution. This is acidic, water is neutral, and ethyl alcohol is also nearly neutral. So our correct answer is option B, that is alkaline solution. MCQ number 12. The glass electrode and dash electrode can be constructed together in a single probe called as combined electrode. Option A, reversible hydrogen electrode. Option B, calomel electrode. Option C, AgCl electrode. Option D, all of these. And our correct answer is option B, calomel electrode. The glass electrode and calomel electrode can be constructed together in a single probe called as combined or combination electrode. The majority of pH electrodes available commercially are combination electrodes that have both glass H+ ion sensitive electrode and additional reference electrode conveniently placed in one housing or vessel. The electrolyte solution used in calomel electrode is option A HCl, option B NaCl, option C KCl, option D AgCl, and our correct answer is option C, that is KCl. MCQ number 14. The paste of calomel is made up of option A silver chloride, option B mercurous chloride and mercury, option C mercurous chloride and platinum, option D silver chloride and mercurous chloride, and our correct answer is option B mercurous chloride and mercury. The paste of calomel is made up of mercurous chloride and mercury. MCQ number 15. The bulb of glass electrode has relatively dash. Option A high melting point, option B high boiling point, option C low melting point, option D low boiling point, and our correct answer is option C low melting point. The bulb of glass electrode has relatively low melting point.